everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use nested for loops in Python by creating a simple program that displays our multiplication table. Nested loops are loops inside another loop and they are very useful when we need to repeat actions within another repeating action, like creating tables and grains or pattern. Now let's understand how it is coded line by line. Line 1, program multiplication table using nested for loops. This is a just comment and describe what our program is about. Comments are ignored by Python but helpful for humans reading the code. Line 3, for inherence 1 to 6, this is our outer loop. It means that variable will take values from 1 to 5. Each value of our represent a row in our multiplication table. Line 5, for inherence 1.6, this is the inner loop. It will also repeat from 1 to 5. For every single value of I, this inner loop will run 5 times. So when one of the inner loop prints the first row, when I and second it prints the second row, and so on. Line 6, product A asterisk G. We multiply the current value of I by the current value of G and store the result in the variable product. Line 7, print product N and T. This prints the product of the same line with a tab space between each number instead of moving to a new line every time. Let's start coding. Now let's understand how this code works by line in line. Line 7 prints product N. This prints the product on the same line with a tab space between each number. Instead of moving to a new line every time, this empty print statement moves the cursor to the next line after each row is completed. That's how we form the grid-like structure of the multiplication table. When we run this program, the output looks like this. Here each now represents the multiplication table for that number. For example, the first row is for 1 and second row is 2, and so on. So, a nested for loop means one loop runs inside another loop. The outer loop controls how many times an inner loop repeats. In our case, an inner loop repeats 5 times for every single outer loop interaction. So overall, this program runs 5 times 5 is equal to 25 times in total. And that's now how nested for loops work in Python. This is very useful for working with grains, tables, and patterns. You can try changing and range value to make a bigger or smaller table. For example, range 1 to 11 for a 10 times 10 multiplication table. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more Python lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next video.